What's up, gang? King of Shine, man. I'm just out here playing around with my drill brush. You know, doing a little testing. You know, I'm gonna spray it with some cleaner, right? I'm probably gonna have stuff flying all over the place out here, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wipe this in a little bit so it don't be flying all over the place. You know, kind of like when you buffing. You don't want your product flying all over the place, so you kind of rub it in. That's what I'm gonna do. Now I've been practicing with this brush, trying to do it with one hand, so I don't know how this is gonna work, guys. But hang on, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Don't laugh at me. Trying to get right up on that edge right there. Get the edge of that mat right there. And a little swirly because I'm getting away from the edge from the table. But he's still going, people. Trying to work that edge, let him see. Alright. Put that on that side. So what I'm trying to see is that drill brush actually accomplish anything that I couldn't have did by hand. Alright. And there we go. What we got? Let's do a little wipe down. What y'all think? This side's looking darker to me than this side. Here, let's go make some wipes in it. What y'all think? Anyway, people, my drill brush is dirty because that's the first use. As you can see, it's dirty. But that was the first use. My carpets don't get that dirty. I guess that's what it is. And I got a second. This is a harder drill brush that I picked up from Chemical Guys over here. They got a garage over here. Chemical Guys garage, or I think it's called the Details Garage or something. So yeah. Catch you on the next video.